Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of your Instagram application. To log out of Instagram, open up the Instagram app on your smartphone and then from the home page tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After you open up your profile, tap on the menu button or the three lines at the top right corner. This will open up settings and activity. Scroll all the way down until you see the Logout button at the bottom. Tap on it and then confirm the logout option by tapping on Logout once again. And right after you do that, you will be logged out of your Instagram account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.